welcome back to the Nog Vlog. We're going to do a tour. We have an interior room aft of the ship, so let's go in and check it out. We're in room 8402. So we opted for the two twins to be pushed together, and then this is a double Pullman, so whoop. This room also comes with a Charlie. So obviously we only have one Pullman down. They come in here and do that for you. Little ladder. So it is a little tight here. I kind of wish they would put the other Pullman down, but she did ask for this size specifically, so it worked out for her. Pretty standard vanity here. Just a little stool, trash can hidden underneath. Show how many drawers did we get? Standard hair dryer, very little power, ladies. And
it works very easily. You just hold this button,
pull it up as high as you can. It does not come out very tall. So if you're a tall person, it is a struggle to use. Just 4 little compartments. Oh no.
This one is empty.
They're all gonna be empty. Grace and wardrobe. Pretty nice lighting here with the double lamp.
And this is how you turn them on and off.
Pretty good. 2 standard outlets and 1 European. Double lamp nightstand. That's how you get around the camera.
There's buttons.
Right, 3, 2, 1. And then just each nightstand has a little compartment so you can store some stuff.
Yeah.
And then above the bed, main light. You want to go to bed.
And then there's also the main light right here.
All right. And here we've got our TV for our room. Inside we've got our standard safe. Your own little key code. Nope, we cleared her out. Okay.
Ooh, you just touched mine.
And then our little cooler actually was not very cool the whole trip. So we've got a triple cabinet storage here. So this one's got all the shelves. You can push these up, make for more hanging if you have longer, nicer clothes. You also have your full length mirror here, so you can stand back, check yourself out. This one, standard hangers, your life vest, very important. You can store your luggage here, but we always put ours under the bed. And the last cabinet is another hanging compartment, more life jackets. Speaking of life jackets, boom, you got your emergency instructions here. Our muster station is here in the aft restaurant for this room E4. And then thermostat, it got pretty cool in here. On the coolest setting there, a little hanger for your Nazoon sign and your lanyard. It's a sneezing sign. Lots of storage here in the bathroom for all of your vanities. You've got your little makeup mirror here. And then up here you do have an extra plug if you need that. Not too short to use it. And then standard shower. But it does come standard with shampoo and shower gels. So if you feel like you don't need anything fancy, you can just use theirs. That's what we do. We just bring some conditioner. Unfortunately, this room is not going to come with a Charlie. We're going to take this home as our souvenir. All right, no room tour would be complete without figuring out how far away you are from elevators and stairwells. So if you go out this way, it's a little bit longer. You're going to go midship. If you go this way, you're going to get to the aft elevator bank. So let's go. Doors down here. Boom, you've made it to your elevators and stairs. All right, thanks for touring the room. We hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for coming to our room tour.
Bye.